When you're on a cruise, sometimes you need a break from the crowds, the music, and the high-energy activities, and you might want to seek out a different kind of fun. That's when the ship's library can come in very handy. Fire up the nostalgia engines and see who will use C4 to get to say, I won. Today, on Tabletop Cruise Ship Edition, we're playing Battleship. Battleship is a game with a long history that goes well beyond your childhood. It was originally played with paper and... C5.
No. 10F.
D4. Delta 4.
Nope. 5G.
Okay. Echo 5.
E5.
No, I don't have anything on E5. 6D.
Hit.
6. Does it still my turn again?
No, I think it goes... What?
My turn.
Yeah. No, it goes back and forth regardless of hit or miss.
Delta 6. 16.
Nope. Non-delta 6.
Okay, your turn to do.
6C.
Miss. Echo 6.
E6.
Nothing. 7D. Delta 7.
Hit. C6.
Is that an entire shape?
No, I would have said something. C6. You're supposed to know when they sing something.
Nope.
What?
You're supposed to announce when they sing, right?
Yeah.
You're supposed to say them?
When something sinks, you're supposed to announce what it is that gets sunk. That's why the famous line is, "You sunk my battleship."
Okay.
Although, ironically, I think in this game, the best thing is the aircraft carrier, not the battleship.
5D. Delta 5.
Hit. Charlie 4.
C4.
Nope. D8.
Hit E4. Echo 4.
4. Nope. Hit. Delta 4.
Like my aircraft carrier J1.
Nope. J10.
Nope. Miss. I2.
Nope.
Can't hit the broadside of a barn right now.
A10.
Miss. H3.
You're really happy about that miss.
No.
H3.
Nope. I6.
Miss. G4.
Hit.
Finally. I hit a thing. Oh my goodness, I hit a thing.
Where she hit, you're supposed to put a red one.
Yep.
Just so you can keep track of how many strikes.
So G4?
Yep.
Oh. Charlie 9.
Miss. E3.
Charlie 7.
Miss. G. Sorry, F4.
On the end next, on the front end of the ship.
Hit. B4.
Miss. J4.
Or you can as well get
Hit.
How are you doing on
You know where it is, don't you? G8.
Hit. I4.
Hit. 8F.
Miss. H4.
You know, we have to do it with a little class.
Look, look, look. Oh, you took my mouth.
Aircraft carrier.
8H.
H. Miss. I3.
I'm gonna drink.
Nope.
Miss.
Okay, I know where it is.
C7.
G9.
You sunk my little guy.
Oh, I sunk your little guy?
Yep. Little tugboat. J10.
Letter to number.
F2.
Oh, F2.
No, F3.
F3. Miss. J9. Miss. I9. It's our I10.
You sunk my little guy.
We're thinking the same thing.
It's a dead heat.
It is a dead heat.
H. Three.
Miss. A10.
A10. Nope. 5C.
Miss. A1.
Miss. 8. 8I.
Miss.
I'm running out of reds.
Yeah, he is actually.
F7.
Nada. Okay, 2G.
Miss. You sunk my thingy and won. Okay.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You won handily. Good game, Julian. Good game. There you go. You won. I lost.